Monster RX 93.1 presents the Concert Series. Live musical performances at the Monster Studios by today's artists. The Concert Series. Your host, Rico Robles.
All right, so this is the part where he tells you, Rico, we're on. How you guys doing? Welcome to the Premier Live musical program on the radio. It's a concert series only on the Monster. It's very intimate. We've got an acoustic guitar, and we have one member of the audience. Clap. Telling you, intimacy. That's what we got. All right, so joining us tonight is Filipino singer-songwriter Diwata, an artist who breaks the barriers of language through melodic, universal harmonies and captivating storytelling. So Bicol's real-life enchantress is back with a reimagined timeless OPM ballad, Ang Pag-ibig Kong Ito, by none other than Miss Lea Navarro. Diwata takes on the song with a fresh, heartfelt folk pop touch. Her emotive vocals and intimate arrangement breathe new life into this classic of love loss and quiet longing, bridging generations of Filipino music for all you Filipino music lovers out there. Yeah? Yeah, that drive home will be a little bit sweeter tonight. But before Diwata takes the stage, let's take a look at another performance from last week. Here's Side A on Front Act.
Monster RX 93.1.
Welcome back to me.
Yeah, and also, hi, sir. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Okay, so I know you have a new song. Well, it's sort of like a cover. It takes a lot to cover a song, you know what I mean? And to choose that specific song. But what's been keeping you busy lately?
Ano ba? Gigs? Nakulong din.
Yeah, I know. Thank you got out. Nasa news ka nga di ba?
Ayun guys, hindi ako yun.
Ibang
Ibang
But how
Diwata
much
yun.
change did it happen? Like, kunyari, you had your name Diwata, and then that Diwata actually also became viral, di ba?
But every time meron akong gigs, parang may yung mga hindi nakakilala. Sinang Diwata ba yung pumunta? Tapos pag umakyat ako, parang nade-disappoint sila.
Kala nila si no?
Parang si Diwata Pares pala yun. Baka yun. Parang ganun.
Pero did it help in a way? Or para bang, that's how you remove the vowels? Is that what it is?
Siguro, oo. Like, sa mga pinopost nila na parang yung good Diwata.
Yeah. True.
The good Diwata.
But with your music now, I mean, you've been doing the shows. How's the reception so far? I'm sure the solid fan base. What do you call your fan base?
Nag-iisip pa ako kung pero pwede naman mga padaba ko or mga engkanto.
Encanto. Encantadias.
Encantadias.
Yeah, it could be something like that.
Yeah.
So, I mean, with them getting your music when you're out performing, I mean, ano yung reception nila with them?
Sobrang natutuwa sila, especially yung mga songs in Bicol. Kasi hindi madalas nakakarinig ng mga songs na gumagamit ng local language sa mainstream.
Yung mga dialect.
Yes.
No? Usually as far as we only go up to Cebu, Bisaya.
Mga Bisaya.
Pero rare that. Ano ba ang dialect ng Bicol?
Bicol, like B-I-K-O-L.
Oh, so Bicol.
Yes, Bicol.
Oh, wow. Okay. So ano difference in Tagalog and Bicol? Any famous words?
Sige, yung title na lang ng song ko na Padaba Taka, sa Tagalog ay Mahal Kita.
Wow.
Yes.
So pag nanliligaw ang isang Bicolano, what are the chances that you get a yes compared to somebody from Manila?
Hello, sorry guys, pero parang pas muna ako sa Bicolano.
Chill muna.
Chill muna tayo. Marami yung mga Bicolanong nakausap, pero chill muna tayo sa Bicol.
Okay, so are you based in Manila? Or?
Yeah, Manila-based.
Okay,
Yeah.
but then when you were in Bicol, where do you stay there?
Sa Albay, sa Tiwi.
Okay. Ano mga trip ng tao doon? Ano
ngayon,
mga happenings in Albay?
Ngayon, parang yung Mayon kasi hindi pa ngayon okay siya.
Okay.
Galit pa siya ngayon.
Yeah, I remember going there. I did stay at a hotel that's on top of a mountain. And the hotel view was the volcano. I just forgot which hotel that was.
Feeling ko yung yun, yung Oriental ba?
Yeah, that one. It's
Doon
so
kasi yung
nice.
sa sa bundok
Para
talaga
siyang
siya.
painting.
Diba?
Grabe, when you woke up like this. Diba?
Parang green screen siya
Yeah. Does that inspire you to write songs? In a way?
Yes.
But moving to the city, was the songwriting harder because your inspiration is now the urban jungles of Manila?
Actually, oo. Para sa akin, mas naging challenging yung pagsulat ng songs. Especially, malayo ako sa bahay namin, syempre, sa magulang ko, sa family. And parang dito kasi mag-isa lang ako. So parang yung inspo, iba pa rin yung nagsusulat ka na maririnig mo yung mga kuliglig. Dito kasi puro busina.
Beep, beep. Ambulansya.
Ambulansya, kaya maririnig mo eh. Doon mga kuliglig, tapos mga ibon, huni ng ibon.
Wala ka maririnig.
Mga manok.
Yeah, diba? So, I mean, how does a songwriting process go for you on a typical day? Ano ba routine?
Hindi siya typical day, typical night.
Yeah, if it's like that for you on the night. So
Yeah. Ano siya? Yung pagsusulat ko kasi ng song, hindi siya yung bigla-bigla na lang papasok talaga. I mean, hindi siya yung parang gusto ko magsulat ng kanta, so makakasulat ako. Parang kailangan muna ako ma-inspire sa isang bagay bago ako makapagsulat ng song.
So, record mo na lang sa phone?
Hindi rin eh.
Yeah.
Parang mas nauna kasi ako sa lyrics. Actually,
really?
yeah. Lyrics talaga ako nauna sa phone or kung saan man ako pwede magsulat. Pero usually, nagsusulat ako ng songs ng madaling araw or mga midnight.
Then it comes to life.
Yeah.
When it comes to songwriting, what's the hardest word to rhyme with?
Oh my God. Hala, di ko
Diba?
naisip yan.
I'll give you time. You don't have to answer.
Sige,
it.
sige guys.
So, I'll give you time a little later, then I'll come back to the question. I always just been wondering, pag nag-your songwriting, do you have a thesaurus beside you? May additional dictionary ka ba?
Wala. Meron pala. Kasi sa Bicol din, may dictionary din kami, nahanap ko siya sa internet. May dictionary din na Bicol. Kasi may ibang mga Tagalog words na hindi ko alam paano siya i-Bicol. Na wala palang parang direct translation siya. So, kailangan ko talaga ng dictionary para doon. And kabaliktaran naman, pag may alam akong Bicol na hindi ko alam naman sa Tagalog. So, yung Tagalog
so
naman.
sort of a thesaurus for that.
Yeah.
So, kapag Manila crowd, provincial crowd, na hindi Bicol, do you explain to them, I'm from Bicol?
Parang introduction ko, hi, I'm Diwata, Bicolano, singer-songwriter.
So they know the...
Yes.
Galing. So I'm learning a lot, at
Yay.
this very span of a good 6 minutes of talking to you again. It's been a while. So the songs today, you have a new album?
Yeah, I have a new song, yung cover.
So that's the one that we were talking about. But other than that, album wala pa.
Wala pa naman.
So are the
Puro
series
singles.
of the kumbaga singles that you're releasing with all covers or ito lang yung one?
Hindi, ito lang.
Oh, Leon Navarro yun, medyo.
Di ba? Parang nakaka-pressure naman.
Yeah, okay. We'll talk about the journey of creating that cover in a bit. So what are the songs you're performing for us today?
So, puro ulit siya original songs. Mga inspired sa nursery rhymes, mga larong pambata siya.
Okay.
So, ayun.
Walang heartbreak?
Lahat yun.
Heartbreak.
May mga plot twist yun eh. Parang
Okay.
pag childhood tayo, masaya tayo. Tapos parang pag tumatanda tayo, tapos parang mas
It's
humihirap yung buhay.
painful.
Yeah.
Yung laro na yun, nagiging may feelings.
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna hear this, ladies and gentlemen. We got it live. Once again, Diwata, if you have any comments or questions, put it where you're watching this and share this live if you're on TikTok here on the concert series.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
But then when the heartbreak comes in, it's like, ow!
Parang gusto mo nang manuntok.
Diba? Okay, with 10 mga daliri, what inspired you to pick up nursery rhymes from before?
Yun, galing, nakikichismis kasi ako nun sa, di ba, pandemic. Tapos online classes noon. Tapos yung friend ko, nandun ako sa bahay ng friend ko. Wait lang.
Oo nga eh. Pakisabi nga sa taas na pakihinaan. May
Distract
live.
ako.
If you're watching online and you're above the 18th floor, may nag-jackhammer sa taas eh.
Sorry, distract ako dun Pero ayun, may class siya na film class. Yung subject nila is, parang yung lesson nila ay tungkol sa paggawa ng film na may plot twist
Okay.
na hango sa mga nursery rhymes or children's game.
Okay.
Tapos yung example nila yung tutubi na parang addict daw yun kasi may bato. Tutubi, may tinatagong bato. Tapos parang addict daw siya. So parang gagawa ka
I
lang.
cannot unhear.
Ay, sorry.
I cannot not hear that tutubi na naging addict. Alam mo yun?
Kasi parang, di ba, tutubi naman, tinatagong bato.
Yeah.
So parang may addict daw siya kasi may bato, ganyan. Tapos parang yung London Bridge is falling down, tragic daw yun kasi di ba yung London Bridge.
It fell down.
It fell
But then
down.
as kids nga.
Yes.
Galing na.
So doon ko siya, doon ako
Some
na-inspire.
music videos for this.
Yeah, yung 10 mga daliri.
Yeah.
Yes, may music video siya.
So how does it go? So like they're climbing.
Actually, para siyang,
Yeah.
yung ginawa namin sa 10 mga daliri, para siyang Squid Game.
Yeah, I could see it
Pero
now. Na.
Pilipino, pang-Pilipinong mga laro. Pang-Pinoy na mga laro.
Oh,
Ganon.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, okay, now comes to the cover song. Why a Lea Navarro song?
Ang daming songs na pinarinig din sa akin na gusto ko sana i-cover. Pero ito yung parang tumagos sa puso ko eh. Parang, ako yung parang nung narinig ko to, parang gusto ko ring magsulat ng isang kantang ganito. Na,
And was there pressure? Did you feel pressure of
sobra.
doing a classic? Na
Yeah.
para bang, okay, how can I top this? Mostly, either you go with a louder guitar,
Actually,
magpapalmute ka, distortion with a, di ba?
Actually, nahirapan kami sa pag-arrange ng song na to since parang, classic song siya. Maganda na siya dati pa lang, yung original song pa lang na to. Maraming pinagdaanan yung song. Mas mahirap mag-arrange ng cover kaysa sariling kanta. So, ito talaga very challenging to. Dumaan yung kantang ito sa iba't ibang version. Merong Olivia Rodrigo na Driver's License.
Wow, really?
Yeah, tapos meron din version ng parang Teenage Dirtbag. So,
Yeah.
Oo. Tapos meron naman parang parang Cup of Joe rin na version itong song na to.
So, kanino mo pinarinig? Parents?
Sa team, sa manager,
Okay.
yeah, tapos sa producer din. So parang tinanong ko sila, ano bang gusto nyo? Sabi nila, okay, Jazz, ito, kung ano ang tunog ni Diwata, dun ka. So, ayun, yung nangyari, sobrang raw, sobrang sincere ng song, acoustic guitar, violin, tapos mga kuliglig.
Wow,
Yeah.
like real life.
Ay, hindi naman.
Quink, quink. Quink, quink.
May mic din sila.
Quink, quink, quink. Ay, ganon. Okay, so where can they catch you live? I know you have a lot of shows. Go ahead.
Yes, so sa 21, sa Medyo Bar ba yun? Basta Medyo Bar. Yeah, QC.
QC.
Sa single launch ni Arthur Miguel. So, kita-hits doon. At meron din pa ako sa, hindi ko maalala yung ibang gigs ko. Pero, ayun, you can just follow my Facebook page. Stay tuned, guys.
What are the songs now that you wish you hear on the radio, that you wish you've written?
Hala, madami. Siguro yung, it's a foreign song, yung song ni Post Malone.
Which one?
Yung Yours, tungkol sa daughter niya.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you want to write a song like that someday? Yeah.
Feeling ko kasi, nag-try kasi ako magsulat ng song tungkol sa parents ko rin. So parang, hindi ko alam, pero nahihirapan ako. Parang sobrang
Your
profound.
parents are still alive.
Yeah.
Yes.
Parang sobrang profound lang.
Talk about their
talaga.
love story.
Yeah.
Parang nagselo si nanay.
Yeah.
Natulog sa labas si tatay. Ganun na.
Oo, parang ganun.
Yeah, it could be funny.
Yeah, it could be funny. Yes.
Or if your parents were to be on Tinder and Bumble now, yung modern day dating, that would be...
Yes.
That would be ill. That would be cool. Well, thank you very much for
Thank you
dropping
so
by.
much.
Thank you for continuing the music. As you could see, we do have a construction upstairs, but we are focused on your music. And the single is out now.
Yes.
What's the next one after that? Is there another cover?
Secret. Pero siya, original song, yung next. And ibang Diwata na siya.
Kakaiba na. So, anong klase na to? Metal?
Uy, grabe.
Yeah.
Rakraka na to. Hindi naman. Mas
Yeah.
mature lang yung writing and yung tunog din.
Okay. How was your Valentine's?
Nag-third wheel lang ako sa kapatid ko.
Ikaw yung taga-sana all. Yung ganun.
Taga-picture din.
Yeah. At least you made money.
Wala nga eh.
Wala.
Nalibre naman.
But they do say that a songwriter gives good love advice. So what's your advice to those that are in love?
Stay in love.
Yeah. Those that are going through a heartbreak.
Stay there. De, joke lang. Hindi.
Namnamin mo yan, di ba? No?
Hindi naman, joke lang. Pero siguro lilipas din yan yun.
Start a running era. Ganun na.
Oo,
When you're
mag-Strava na rin yun.
heartbroken, run. That's what it is.
Mga
Well, thank
Strava
you.
pics.
Catch you on your gig. Thank you very much.
Thank
And
you
your
so
guitarist here. Okay.
Yes, Marcus.
Marcus, you got greetings?
Hi friends, hi family.
Cool. All
Napaka-
right. So there you have it. Okay, so the song we have Ang Pag-ibig Kong Ito. Okay. Is this Ang Pag-ibig Ko?
Hindi.
And how does it go?
Ang pag-ibig.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. So put your hands up in the air for those that are watching. We got it live, ladies and gentlemen, the concert series here on The Monster.
The concert series. Live on the Monster.